So let's look at the feature. Let's say if you wanted to commit a file in GitHub, you can do by console, so or otherwise you can do by goes to source control and just try to commit a file. So let's say I just wanted to commit a file. For instance, you just say head component. So let's say I just wanted to commit this plus. So what interesting feature has arrived that you do not try to or remember what has been changed in this file. For instance, if we look at this file, this is a new file and I have added the head components. So what headed part should be in a page, so I don't need to remember. So simply what I'll do, I'll just go and just add this. And if you look at this here already I have added a staged file is head.js. So let's say if I click on here, if you look at this, manually you can write one message but little difficult. But if you look at here one icon, so simply just click on this. So this is telling me add head components to handle page title. So since it's a very new code, so that's why it is giving me this message. So simple, and it's a very meaningful answers or message you can say to commit this file. And let's commit this, and this is